All right, hello. So we have here the Orbot Gravity by Orbot USA. The Orbot Gravity hasn't really been released in the U.S. There's only a handful in the U.S. sold. Most of them have been overseas, but it hasn't really been tested on concrete. And we have a nice little plate that was custom made, and then we have the metallic 50 grit pads on there. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to grind down the concrete, and we're going to expose the aggregate. So we'll do a little sample for you and check it out. Alright, so we already started to grind partial of the concrete. We're going to finish it up and then show you guys the results. It's a little loud, so just my apologies for that. Alright, so let's suck this up and see how it looks. Alright, so we exposed the aggregate, and the area that we demoed. It's all right here, so I'll pan in. You can see all the aggregate, so all the little pebbles, all the minerals that are mixed in the concrete when it's poured. So we'll go over here, and you can see all the aggregate. Now this floor was just prepped and grinded down to 50 grit, so an epoxy finish could be applied, and that's the proper way, so you don't get no chipping or flaking later on in the future. So I know I demoed or sampled the aggregate exposed. And it's a little hard to tell because obviously there's mud-like material in concrete and it's dry. But I wanted to show real quick once I clean it and once it gets wet, you'll really see the aggregate exposed. So just use a spray bottle here. Wipe down. Now you can definitely see more of the aggregate. There we go.